Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to manage your watch list on Robinhood. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and go to Robinhood's official website. Sign into your account, and once you're on the homepage, look at the right side of your screen to find your current watch list. To delete a stock from your watch list, click on the three dots next to it and select Delete. If you want to rearrange your list, choose the Rearrange option, allowing you to reorder the stocks as needed. You can also select Edit to rename your watch list for better organization. If you want to add a stock to your watch list, simply open the asset and select the Add to Watch List feature. This will ensure quick access to your preferred stocks whenever you log in. So that's basically how you can manage your watch list on Robinhood. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.